made a bunny. I like a bunny.
It is so cute. Where's the leg of the bunny? Tell me.
Here.
Okay, and hands?
Here.
Okay, and what is this you are making again in this?
No, this is when we can make a bunny.
Okay.
And we can hop the bunny. This
Okay.
is a tail.
Okay.
See, ta-da!
Now, can you fill the color also in this?
No,
Oh, first make smiley also.
we have made smiley
Where?
here.
No, you have not yet made the smiley.
Ouch!
Make the smiley also.
No.
I'll help you to make
No,
the smiley.
Listen to my.
Okay.
That two green one is not coming with the paper,
Okay.
so we cannot start that.
Okay. And
Wow, this
can you give me the pen for a minute? So see, I'm making one smiley in this.
yeah.
This is a nice and pretty circle. And here is one eye.
No, wait,
Another
Mama.
eye. And yay.
No, Mama, you have to make smiley here.
Oh,
It's
but
down.
this is already done here.
No, here,
Okay.
up. Not down.
Okay.
We have to make something good.
Okay.
What is this?
I don't know what you have done this.
Oh no.
See this another bunny behind the page. You make two bunnies at a time. Now what you are going to make here?
See here. Here's empty page.
Okay.
Now let's make something flower.
Okay, make
Yeah.
some flower.
Here. Round and round.
Okay. Okay. Awesome flower, Tia. These are the petals of the flowers.
Yeah.
Okay. Very
Oops.
nice. Awesome. Oh, it's so good.
Oops. Now nothing can me.
It is so good. Okay. Wow, it is so good. It's a baby little flower.
Yeah.
Okay.
Grandma makes flower.
Okay, so this is flower and this is one bunny behind. This is another bunny behind and this is a smiley and this is here is one more bunny you made with the pencil. Okay.
Wow.
Oh, there's another smiley, okay? Oh my goodness, who made this bunny? And you know, you fill color also somewhere.
No.